Usembut Menteri Rangba Agjalau ba Preston Tensong nagasang National People Party menta kasengi ka arpenyo tarik Risau uloong ba kajing keno jong kaseng Kongres persya kaseng NPP baka don kajing ele banjob election daga bor pisa kalong namar bahakane ka election siteng samoy ka Kongres kamdan agenda shu banyalap election. Uba Preston uloong ru balada ka Kongres ka kwa kajing shisha kiladei banlej ban keli na kinong tebod kajing keno kadehi hakaway pakaway ka election kajulong kumtahi. Uno bajob ya ka election ujusya keno baujob daga bor pisa kane kadaitang kajing keno Henry hakabay day bakipay bahi kiladep ban sim ya karay baha kalay poterik kin salay ban tebon. Uloong ru balada kiong bakikwa ban thaw sarkar ru kinomla namar bakaday tang lay tiliki election siteng samoy badmanta kidon tang khanyongut ki MLA kumta tang banyalam baklay ki paiba kila syumi syakmat ban keno eka sorkar. Ula penrap ru balada kidon ki sabut saki ya kita ki cingkeno ki jongki kila ban ujor da ka ejahar hapo ki police station. Hakaba yade baka election siteng samoy ba Preston uloong baudon ya ka jingkermen scam baka NPP kanyo eka jingjob nabaro laitili ki constituency. Ula penrap ru baka NPP kadai ka parti ka balayalam ya ka sorkar MDA hakaba ki pajba ki sauthu ya kane bat ki don ka jingkermen bau ba lamprang bla uba penyai singsim kinyo ka jingjob hakane ka election siteng samoy.
Unexpectedly, just because of the by-election happens unexpectedly. What they do was they have no agenda to go to the people, to the public. Ultimately, their agenda is only allocation against the MDA government. That's it. Because right now, what is their issue? If they go to the people, if they say we want to form the government, they cannot, because it's only three by-election. So that also they cannot, and they have only 17 MLAs right now. So therefore, just to make people misled, what they do is ultimately they keep alleging us, because I already told, if you really have that documentary proof or if you have the evidence, please go to the nearest police station, go to the SP office, you file FIR against the corruption or against the allegation you made against us. Prove that. Let them go and ask from the voters. Because see, the allocation is allocation. And every election is like that only. Ultimately, whoever wins, I think you must have seen it. Every election, whoever wins, the blame goes to the winner by saying that, oh, they use money, they use, money power, they use, fiscal power, every power they're using. I think that is the allegation. But the public, I'm telling you, whatever you say, they already decided. They already decided within themselves, and then on the 30th they will go to the police station, they'll just vote quietly, and then we will get the result on the 2nd of November.
The Congress company recommending for the coalition is
verified. It's only just because I am very sure we are winning, be it Mauplang, be it Maurang Kedeng, and be it Rajabala. Even Rajabala, so the response of people is very, very good. Because see, the question here is this is only by-election. Hardly we have one year, 4-5 months left. So whatever you say, the voters will definitely vote in favor of the government, candidate, like be it UDP or be it NPP. That is for sure. But what I'm trying to tell you is this: NPP is leading the government in the name of MDA. So I am very, very sure the voters understand that, and I'm very, very sure that Lamprang Bla and Penyai Singh Same will come out successfully on the 2nd of November.
You see the